Hello guys! Here's our day 1 vlog for our Bohol tour. We slept in Cebu City dahil galing pa kami sa Bantayan Islands. Para makapunta ng Bohol, pumunta kami sa Pier 1. And then, kumuha kami ng tickets sa Supercut and our schedule was on 11:25 a.m. And we're here at the Supercut. So, going to Tagbilaran, Bohol. So, from Cebu to Tagbilaran, the travel time is 2 hours.
Is bound for Tagbilaran City. If anyone of you is bound for other destination, please make yourselves known to any of our attendants for assistance. Once again, good morning to our fellow passengers. This is to inform you that you have boarded St. Bartolome Supercat bound for Tagbilaran City. This vessel is bound for Tagbilaran City. If anyone of you is bound for other destination, please make yourselves known to any of our attendants for assistance.
Say hi! Touchdown, Bohol! We are here! Okay, from Tagbilaran City Port ay sinundo kami ng agency na nabook namin, and look at that, tatlo lang kami, tapos yung sumundo sa amin ay van, o diba, bongga. So from Tagbilaran City Port ay on the way na kami to Panglao Island. This is the place where we will be staying for 2 nights. Cherries at Home 2 ang pangalan, located at Alona, Panglao. Okay. For those who are planning to travel to Bohol, guys, maganda magstay dito sa Cherries at Home 2. May swimming pool, may kasama na ring breakfast. Maganda magstay dito. Maganda rin yung babayaran. Charot. Promise guys, maganda yung accommodation dito. And the problem nga lang is wala siyang elevator, and yung room namin nasa 3rd floor, kaya mapapa-exercise ka talaga. So, here's the quick room tour. Charot. So, tatlo lang kami dito guys. Si Ma'am Jingle and Ma'am Karen. So, ang room nila is 950 per night, including access sa swimming pool and breakfast. And, ayan na, air-conditioned room, may wifi, may TV. And then, malapit sa Jollibee, McDo, and mga restos. So far guys, wala naman kaming masyadong ganap for day 1. It's just the arrival, and nagpasyal-pasyal lang kami sa labas, humanap ng mga makakainan kasi ang hirap palang maghanap ng budget-friendly na kakainan dito kasi ang place na nastayan namin is more on foreigner yung mga nakatira. Mostly na mga restaurants ay mga Korean and everything. Hindi naman kami nakakaintindi naman yun. Dito naman guys is matutulog na sana kami, kaso naisipan ng isa naming kasama na mag night swimming. So silang dalawa lang yung nag night swimming kasi I'm ready to go to bed and hindi naman ako marunong lumangoy. Plus pagod na rin akong kakalakad-lakad kanina. So that's all for day 1. Good night.